Take it it's broken?
It's not like, I'm pressing the button and it's not going up, you know? Try pressing the button. See, it's not there.
Yeah, that's weird. Did the other one come? Yeah, and see, it's lit, so I'm guessing, wow.
Is it anything else?
I have no clue what it is.
What's there?
Yeah. These are the elevators here at the Wyndham Ocean Boulevard Tower 1. That one's broken. Oh, this one works. Whoa. Let's go up to 15. What floor?
6.
Going up. Going up. Sixth floor. Going up. Tenth floor. Going
Yeah,
up.
the other elevator is broken. Going up?
Going up.
Yep.
What floor?
13. I think the other elevator's
The other one appears to is like shut off on the P1 with its doors open, not
I'm
working.
going to reset it right now.
All right,
You have a good one.
you too.
Going down. Going down.
Whoa.
Going down.
Shut up, Otis. So our Gen2s, obviously. And we're stopping.
Going down.
Random call.
Going down.
Okay. I'll just remind you that you should get a chance to go by and check the pumps for me. I had pulled the house up. It's getting so far
The
from
heck?
somewhere because I tried to take that breaker out. I don't think nothing wrong with that breaker. But I took it out because I was gonna get another one, you know, to try to use it. But I don't really think nothing wrong with that one. So I just
Please take the
I
next
just left it hooked
elevator.
back up there.
We
It's
are
getting far, but it just didn't come back
Minor
on.
technical difficulties.
Oh my
Going
god.
down.
Alright, I'll let you.
Going down.
Alright. Can't ride that.
That was, oh my gosh. Elevator issues, I can see.
Yeah, it's starting already.
Well, I guess while we wait, I'll get a view of the beach here. That's the pepper tree by the sea. And there is North Myrtle Beach there. I'm gonna call it up too, because what goes up does go down, and hopefully that will speed up our wait. If any of them are working, because I hear a chime. I know there one's working at least, because I can hear the chimes on the other floors. Okay, I guess this one does work. Thought I heard it.
Everybody on one elevator now.
Well, one of them came.
Well,
Yeah, I know, but what goes up does go down, and we've been waiting forever. Having some elevator malfunctions here.
11th floor.
Alright, have a nice day.
You too.
Going down.
Alright, let's hope to God we don't get stuck. Got this all on video. Oh my God. Please don't break. Don't break. Okay. 6.
Going down. Fifth floor. Going down.
Okay,
First.
I'm getting off. Oh well, the door on this one's shut, so I'm guessing it works now. Have a nice day. Okay then, well, I hope you enjoyed. That's it. Oh God.